During the steering committee of the sub-program on poverty alleviation at the Grassroots Phase 2 held on the 12th of February 2013 in Yaoundé, it was recommended that in order to put in place a continuous or revolving financial window, it would be necessary to award to the local beneficiary organization refundable loans instead of subventions. For 3 days, beginning this Thursday, 10th October 2013 in Bamenda, the Ministry of Economy, Planning and Regional Development, in partnership with the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, has decided to assemble stakeholders in this loan awarding business to better understand the basics in the refunding procedure whose interest rates have been taken care of by government.
We work with Camquil. The Camquil will be the bank who will help us to put in place that credit. We have chosen Camquil because Camquil is too close to the beneficiary, and the interest of that credit will be supported by the government.
While opening the workshop, Monono Wulwa, Secretary General in Northwest Governor's Office, representing the Governor on behalf of the Minister of Economy, Planning and Regional Development, spelled out the following as workshop objectives.
The capacity assessment workshop, therefore, aims to provide the essential skills that the local beneficiary organizations will use to manage and repay the funds that will be made available to them. It will therefore be necessary during this workshop to assess not only their technical, administrative, managerial or financial aptitudes, but above all make them conversant with the transfer and reimbursement mechanisms of loans that will be granted to them. In addition, the local beneficiary organizations will benefit from the support and active advice from a multidisciplinary team of experts who will review the operating account or the income and expenditure account statements of their projects to ensure that they are actually profitable and can contribute to the improvement of their living conditions.
Born out of the Growth and Employment Strategy document, the sub-program on poverty alleviation at the Grassroots Phase 2 emphasizes the need to reduce poverty in order to raise economic growth to a sustainable level as part of Vision 2035, with focus on improving the well-being of Cameroonians. This second phase of the sub-program on poverty alleviation at the Grassroots Phase will be handling some 115 micro-projects, with 13 in the Northwest as leftovers from the first phase. As this workshop closes this Saturday, the beneficiaries will soon receive their loans for the funding of their respective micro-projects. Baka Derek for the news.